Looking for quick, healthy dinners that help you shed weight without sacrificing taste? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm sharing 5 of my favorite go-to dinner recipes that are not only delicious, but also perfect for those looking to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. We're talking about meals that are packed with nutrients, protein, and fiber to keep you full and satisfied, all while being easy to whip up, even on the busiest of weeknights. Get ready to ditch the takeout menus and say hello to a healthier, happier you. First up, we're starting strong with a recipe that's as easy as it gets. The one-pan protein-packed bowl. For this recipe, I like to use chicken breast because it's lean, packed with protein, and cooks up nice and juicy. But feel free to switch it up with your favorite protein. Shrimp, tofu, or even chickpeas would be delicious here. I love using a mix of whatever's in season for a vibrant and flavorful bowl. A little olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite spices are all you need to bring this dish together. Pop it in the oven and let it do its thing while you relax. This meal is high in protein and low in calories, keeping you full and energized. Talk about a win-win for your taste buds and your waistline. Next up is a classic for a reason, the veggie-packed stir-fry. This dish is all about speed and simplicity, making it perfect for busy weeknights. The key to a great stir-fry is all in the prep. Make sure to have all your veggies prepped and ready to go before you even turn on the stove. I like to use a mix of crunchy veggies like broccoli, carrots, and snap peas, along with some aromatics like garlic and ginger for an extra flavor boost. Packed with colorful veggies and lean protein, this stir-fry is a nutrient powerhouse that's ready in minutes. Let's talk meal prep. This next recipe is a lifesaver for those busy weeks when you need a healthy meal on the go. Quinoa salad power bowls. The star of the show here is quinoa. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for those looking to fuel their bodies with plant-based power. I like to cook a big batch of quinoa at the beginning of the week and use it in various recipes throughout the week. For these power bowls, I'm keeping it simple with some chopped cucumbers, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and fresh herbs. This quinoa salad is perfect for meal prep and can be customized with your favorite veggies and lean proteins. Craving something a little fancy but still super easy? This baked salmon with asparagus is here to impress. Salmon is one of my favorite sources of lean protein, and it's loaded with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. To keep things simple, we're baking the salmon and asparagus together on the same pan. This not only saves on dishes, but also allows the flavors to meld together beautifully in the oven. While the salmon and asparagus are baking, I like to whip up a quick and flavorful sauce with just a squeeze of lemon juice, a dollop of Dijon mustard, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Rich in omega-3s and paired with fiber-rich asparagus, this dish is both delicious and nutritious. Last but not least, let's wrap things up with a light and refreshing recipe that's perfect for a low-carb dinner. Turkey lettuce wraps. These wraps are packed with flavor and so much easier to assemble than they look. I like to use ground turkey for this recipe because it's lean, affordable, and picks up the flavors of the other ingredients beautifully. Feel free to customize the filling with your favorite veggies. Mushrooms, water chestnuts, or even chopped spinach would be delicious additions. These turkey lettuce wraps are a great low-carb option that's full of flavor and perfect for a light dinner. And there you have it, 5 quick, healthy, and delicious dinner ideas that are perfect for anyone looking to lose weight and feel their best. Want even more ideas? Check the blog post linked in the description for additional healthy dinner recipes and tips. Sign up for our Shehealth newsletter and get exclusive access to tools that help you crush your health goals. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Don't miss our next video. Discover easy dinner wins. Recipes for beginners made simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.